Hey guys, so today we're going to do a quick video on how we load our golf cart and unload our golf cart from the pickup. Alright, let's get to it.
2 days, 2 dogs, 1 rig, let's go. Running on coffee and kibble.
First, we get our Kandi Mini all collapsed and ready to load. If you haven't seen that, check out our golf cart video. We'll link it up top. Next thing, we set up the truck. We take off the cover, put it back, and then we'll take a look inside. So here we have our winch system. It's a 2,000 pound Badland winch. Remember, our golf cart's only 265 pounds. We bolted it to the floor, to the frame, on this piece of metal. And then we have this wireless winch controller. And then we have the power cable here. So the power cable just gets unwrapped from there and gets plugged into the front of the truck. So that's what we're going to do first. So the wire comes out the side of the truck, goes down, and plugs right into the front.
Stacking on a Tuesday night, calendar squares boxed in tight, but we know something they don't know. There's a gravel road where the wild things go. Hitch pin clicks like a starting bell, trailer settles, fits just well. Stress drops off at the edge of town when the jack stands touch the ground. Through the sway and through the storm, through the nights it all so warm. Stay hitched, stay wild, chase that sunset mile by mile. Hold tight when the winds switch if you're gonna love this life. Stay hitched through the turns and the uphill pitch, through the tilt in the ditch if you're gonna build it right. Stay hitched, stay hitched. Sometimes love's a crooked line, but we don't bail when it gets rough. We double check and back it up. Mud on boots and hands a mess, laughing through a little stress. Campground quiet, moonlight glow, that's the kind of love we know. Not perfect, not polished chrome, just 2 hearts hauling home. Stay hitched, stay wild, let the small fights.
Hey, if you're liking this content, drop us a comment, hit that like button, and subscribe. You can come weekend with us.
It's noogie and